Is it the right time to buy or sell Meta stock? Today, we're diving deep into Meta and providing you with an even more detailed analysis than our initial report published on Tuesday, January 2, 2024. To stay updated on our latest analysis and not miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Experience the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 7, 2023, our system has ranked Meta as a hold/accumulate with a score of -0.07. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surpassing our expectations, Meta has experienced a notable gain of 6.03% since we first recommended buying it 17 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.35% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend, indicating potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 13.64% change over the next 3 months. This could result in a return between 4.92% and 18.05%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a predicted 126.73% change over the next year. This suggests a potential return between 113.22% and 142.79%. In terms of price, this could mean a range of $738.37 to $840.76 after 1 year. Our latest update for Meta brings you the headline. Meta stock price ended at $346.29 on Tuesday, with a decrease of 2.17%. On Tuesday, January 2, 2024, the Meta stock price fell by 2.17% from $353.96 to $346.29. Throughout the trading day, the stock showed a fluctuation of 3.86%, starting at a low of $340.02 and reaching a high of $353.16. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 3.39%, with increases in 6 out of the last 10 days. Although the volume increased by 4 million shares on the last day, the prices fell. This may indicate a potential risk that could slightly increase over the next few days. The total buying and selling volume amounted to approximately $6.25 billion, involving 18 million shares. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $361.90, while the lowest was $122.28. Currently, the price stands at 4.31% or $15.61 below the 52-week high. It is also 9.9% or $38.04 below the all-time high, which occurred on September 1, 2021, when the price reached $384.33. Today, let's take a look at the latest analyst ratings for Meta. On Monday, November 20, 2023, B. Riley Securities gave Meta a neutral grade with a hold action. Also on Monday, November 20, 2023, Wedbush gave Meta an outperform grade with a hold action. Another rating on Monday, November 20, 2023, came from Wells Fargo, who gave Meta an equal weight grade with a hold action. Moving back to Thursday, October 26, 2023, Goldman Sachs gave Meta a buy grade with a hold action. Lastly, on Thursday, October 26, 2023, KeyBank gave Meta an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given the stock of Meta a general rating of buy. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we will analyze the signals for Meta stock. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal for Meta stock. However, the long-term average gives a buy signal. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this suggests a general buy signal and a positive forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to rise, it may face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $354.10. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $337.46. A break above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a break below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. However, there are some negative signals that could impact the near short-term development of the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 28, 2023, resulting in a decline of -3.36% so far. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that volume increased during the decline, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it's important to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals that you may find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is currently showing a buy signal. The pivots indicator indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The Bollinger Bands indicator generated a buy signal 7 days ago. The short-term moving average indicator suggested a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicator presented a buy signal 18 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages displayed a buy signal 39 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicator signaled a buy 17 days ago. The long-term moving average indicator also indicated a buy 45 days ago. Moreover, the relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 239 days ago. If you want to discover more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta currently has support from accumulated volume at $334.92. This support level could present a buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when it is tested. In terms of volatility, this stock has average movements during the day and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the past day, the stock had a range of $13.14 between its high and low, representing a 3.86% change. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.87%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Meta, let's start by understanding some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price with its earnings per share. The PE ratio we're looking at is quite normal and is often seen in businesses with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, we have the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023, which is expected to be released on February 7, 2024. Analysts have provided a consensus estimate of $4.75. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we're going to discuss some important day trading levels for Meta. If Meta experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $349.28. If you don't own any shares, it may be a good idea to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this level could be considered for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, Meta faces its first support level at $334.92. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is a buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 26, 2023, Jennifer Newstead conducted an insider sell of 566 shares of Class A common stock. On December 27, 2023, Mark Zuckerberg conducted an insider sell of 11,975 shares of Class B common stock. On December 27, 2023, Mark Zuckerberg conducted another insider sell, this time of 29,905 shares of Class B common stock. Additionally, on December 27, 2023, Mark Zuckerberg sold 300 shares of Class A common stock. And finally, on the same day, Mark Zuckerberg sold 2,669 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -36.132. In total, insiders purchased 208,392 shares and sold 447,708 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $333.10 with a decrease of 3.81%. Considering the stock's daily movements, we classify it as having medium risk. This means that while there is potential for profit, there is also a moderate level of risk involved. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was found 2 days ago, indicating a potential downward trend. Is Meta stock a good buy? Although Meta holds several positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. Instead, we suggest considering it as a hold candidate or accumulating more shares while awaiting further development. When analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Wednesday, January 3rd, we anticipate Meta to open up with a $0.200 increase, starting trading at $346.49. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. It's always wise to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at the current view of this stock. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Wishing you successful trading and a fantastic day from all of us here at Stock Invest.